But what kind of food do you prefer? Like sweet, salty?
Generally sweet. And I like salty food too, yeah.
But mostly sweet?
Yeah.
How about sour?
I like sour too, yeah. Just everything but spicy. Just
Why?
spicy is because I can't. It kills me. I'm not used to it. I have sensitive taste buds, you know.
Sensitive butt?
Taste buds.
What is taste buds?
In your mouth, there's all kinds of thousands of taste buds that react to sweet stuff, sour stuff, spicy stuff, everything.
Oh yeah. Also, your spicy butts is sensitive.
Yeah.
For the spicy, just for the spicy.
Yeah, I guess so. Maybe. Oh, I don't taste.
Kobo, have you ever been to Europe before?
My what?
Have you ever been to Europe before?
Rap?
Europe.
Rap? What? Can you spell it? R-U-B? Rap?
E-U-R-O-P-E, the continent, Europe.
Europe! Europe!
この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りします。
どこ見てんだよ。どこ見てんだ。どこ見てんだよ。